This is Nate and Carl with Paradise RV.
Howdy.
We're back for another rendition of Let's View a Camper. So today we're going to go with the 2023 Palomino SolAire 304 RK.
For rear kitchen.
Yes. So it should be a good time. Again, these are some of our favorites on the lot. Just the quality is really well built. The thoughtfulness of what they put into the campers is really well done. So we're on our way. I'm gonna swing it around. Should probably, there it is, right here. And then right here. Nice. So
this
cool.
This thing is a beauty, and it is massive. So you're looking at a unit that's sitting at what, roughly 33 feet long. So you've got everything you can need on this bad boy. So
see what's in here.
Front storage.
Looks like it's a washer and dryer hookup. Access to a washer and dryer hookup.
That's exactly what it is, because here's the closet for the inside.
Yeah, sweet. I'm guessing the box length is 30 feet on this, but the overall length is probably 36 or so.
I think it's 33-ish. Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna look that up while you explain more about the camper.
All right, so I'm Carl. This here is a Palomino SolAire 2023 304 RK. The RK is for rear kitchen. As stated, this thing is massive, but it is a beautiful unit. It is top quality, Amish built, which is a good thing because the Amish do quality. They do not compromise. As you can see, you've got a front storage here. Well, actually, it's access for your washer and dryer, or if you don't want that, you can use it as storage. Back here we do have an outside kitchen. The weird thing is, with this unit being so big, it really is meant for 2 people. You possibly could get away with sleeping with 4. So,
let's take a look at this rear, or the outdoor kitchen.
All right.
Nice. Looks like a sink slides out.
Let's find out. Look at that.
It is 35 foot 2 inches.
Ooh. Still a big one.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're pushing fifth wheel territory at that point.
It's pretty close, yeah. Absolutely. Cool. Nice. I like the slide out kitchen. Makes it a little more convenient for everybody.
Yeah. Instead of other units where you have to like reach way in the back and keep your head here so you don't hit it on the door. And also you've got this beautiful, well, more like an adorable little outdoor fridge here. Cute little guy.
There you go. I like it. What do we got going on over here on the sides? I see maybe some speakers and
So yeah, we've got cable and satellite connection, standard house plug connection here. We've got outdoor speakers here, and you have an outdoor mount for a television, which is always cool.
Nice.
Because hey, who doesn't want to watch TV outside, right?
Absolutely. And the cable and satellites for the TV, right?
Yes.
Yeah, to plug your TV so you can access the part cable or satellite. And same thing for this. It's the plug for the TV.
Yes, it is.
What about the tires in the Lion's Head lifetime warranty there?
So you've got yourself a dual axle, which with torque flex. This helps keep your trailer stable when traveling. Single axle is double axle on the other hand, much better, much safer.
Yeah.
So your Lion's Head, as you see, it's a 125 lifetime warranty. 1 year, first year, no excuse guarantee. So if something happens, no excuses, you're covered. You've got 2-year complimentary roadside assistance, which is always great. That's better than 1 year because you have double the time. So in case something happens, you got 2 years of coverage.
Nice.
You've got a 5-year warranty on your Radio ST tires. That's great. Same thing, if something happens to your tires, guess what? It's covered by warranty. And then you've got a lifetime structural warranty on all wheels. If something happens to your wheel, you've got a lifetime warranty. Hopefully nothing does happen to your wheels. Even though you've got a warranty, it's still a pain for something to happen either way.
Yeah.
And then you've also got nitro-filled tires, which also help with your fuel economy and make towing easier.
Sweet. All right, so I think we're going to come back to the outside to go over a couple more things.
Yes, we are.
Sweet.
So we're going to start with, it does have electric jacks. Very simple. All you do is hit the button for extend, just like so.
Nice.
And they do come down one side at a time. They do not come down simultaneously.
Okay. Cool. I see that there's a propane quick connect for the outside grill.
I was just going to cover that. You do have a propane quick connect for an outside grill. So in case you wanted to throw some propane on there, you have it.
Nice. There looks like there's some kind of cool little party LED inside the speaker.
Yep, you've got LEDs inside your speakers. These speakers also sound great. You have 3 zones for your speakers, which is inside, outside, and then both zones simultaneously, so the party can keep on going.
Sweet. And then the awning lights are kind of cool.
Oh yeah.
Standard Palomino fashion.
That's right. You've got these awning lights on the side, not too bright, but just enough to give it some ambiance.
Nice.
You know, more really of an accent light. And who doesn't like accent lighting? Come on.
Right?
Accent lighting is amazing.
It classes it up.
Follow me around back. So, one of my favorite features about the Palominos is these ladders. I don't know if anybody out there that's watching this has ever been on a janky RV ladder, but I can tell you, it makes you think twice about life. But Palomino has these nice, sturdy, just meaty ladders, so you can climb up there with confidence. And may I borrow that?
Sure.
All right, everybody, we're gonna go to the roof. When you're climbing up here, guess what? You've got this nice little handhold to hold on to. That way, you can pull yourself up. And view the world. All right. Same thing. If you need to get down, just reverse process. Hold on to your handheld like so, and climb your way back down. I'm gonna hand that to you.
Sure.
All right, that was fun. So, more features. You got yourself a tube bumper for storing your black tank hose.
Nice.
Just slide it all the way in there. You've got yourself a hitch here, not for towing, but for bikes.
Cool.
Bicycles, not motorbikes. Some people have made a mistake and have ripped off their hitches. Not a good idea.
Yeah.
Spare tires included. Standalone solar. So if you have an external solar panel, this is for that. You just plug it in.
Sweet. That's convenient.
Then you've got your 50 amp plug here.
Sweet. 50 amp, 2 AC units?
2 AC units, yep.
Nice. Need that in the south.
Yeah, oh, yes, you do.
Yeah.
More external lighting here. And then you also have your hot water heater here, which is always great.
Sweet.
Your standard 5/6 gallon unit.
I believe this one's 6 gallon. Yeah.
Yes, it is 6 gallon. 2 slides, as you can see, front bedroom, living room. And then you've got your tanks. So you've got gray tank, which is 1. And you've got gray tank number 2.
Nice. I think I saw a galley back here too.
Yes, you have galley back there also.
The kitchen. That's nice. Underneath here seems pretty solid. Feels like it's got a covering underneath there, so it's not exposed. Yeah, particle board.
Yep.
Or subflooring.
So the underside of the slides are also coated to help prevent wood rot also. So they're coated that way, in case moisture ever gets under here, you'll never have to worry about wood rot, which is always nice.
Yeah, that is nice.
Yeah.
Because nothing can devalue a camper quicker than wood rot.
Boy, let me tell you. So, this is funky. You've got yourself a storage area that's carpeted also.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Ooh, sort of soft.
Kind of plush.
It's a cargo, so yeah. Cool. Looks like it has override jack type things.
Yes, sir.
This one is for your front hitch tongue jack, and then this one I would guess would be for your stabilizers.
Yes, sir.
Cool.
And then you've got yourself your water system and battery disconnect here.
Okay.
So
Yeah,
battery
your wet
disconnect here, and your wet bay stuff here.
Oh, nice. I like this little wet bay.
Yeah.
It's kind of convenient. It's so it's not so exposed to the elements, and then it gives you tons of extra options. Whether you're dry camping or you're hooked up at a campground, making winterizing and sanitizing it really simple. So if you wanted to, you don't have to take it to a shop. You can kind of do it yourself. Save yourself a couple bucks, especially if you're a hands-on person.
You have everything in one spot, just a flip of a switch, literally.
Yep.
So you've got your jack. So this is just a simple standard jack. It's your power tongue jack. It's not like your memory jacks, which are great because they memorize truck height. This, simple up and down, and then you've also got a light. So just on and off, just like that.
Cool.
Underneath all that, you've got, or underneath this thing, you've got, it's tied down. Feels like it's tied down.
I don't think so. Oh, it is. Look at that, it's got a little bungee. There you go.
2 propane tanks.
Nice.
So double the fun eating and cooking.
Yeah. There you go. 7.8 pounds. see how many liters. 21.6 liters. And does it say how many gallons are in here? Not sure. There you go. Yep, 17.8 pounds.
And also, it's nice they put this little bungee cord on here, because no manufacturers ever throw in a bungee cord for these things.
Right.
Yeah.
On it, yeah. That's the first one that I've seen that's come from the manufacturer like that.
Same.
Yeah.
So that should cover everything on the outside.
Very cool.
Let's head on inside.
Oh, this is spacious.
Very spacious.
Nice. I like the setup.
Yeah.
You got tons of storage up here, tons of cabinets back in the kitchen. Nice little recliners.
2 recliners.
Yeah. Nice little dinette. Fold out sofa, I'm guessing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Jackknife, actually.
Oh, okay.
Lift. Oh no.
Yeah,
It's a pull-out.
It's a tri-fold. I was thinking. Very cool. I like the drying mats with the sink covers. That's a big sink.
A nice basin sink, because double sinks are the devil, as I like to say.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not fun. I got one at the house and we've been meaning to upgrade it for quite some time now.
I've got one too. The spigot's too short for the sink and it's too small for dishes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's never fun.
No.
That's convenient. They got some power outlets here at this huge, massive counter.
Boy, look at the size of that drawer.
Wow. This is great.
And you get yourself your 3-burner stove and your oven.
Okay. Nice. Good size refrigerator. It's the 12-volt residential style.
Yes, it is.
Stainless steel. Yep. You can get a number of frozen pizza boxes in there.
Our standard unit of measurement at Paradise.
Yes, sir. Absolutely. Tons of cabinet spaces for pantry items and spices and all of that stuff.
Don't forget your dried goods and canned beans.
Yes.
A camping classic.
Yes. Bush's baked beans. Yeah, it looks like you got your CO and LP detector down here. Your converter. All your breakers and all that good stuff. I like the floors.
Yeah.
Those are nice.
Well, also check it out. You've got accent lighting underneath your cabinet there.
It's very fancy.
And then you also have cabinets here. You've got a cubby hole here, and your television is here.
Very nice.
Here's your radio, which is both CD, Bluetooth, AM, and FM.
What about DVD?
Ooh, I don't see DVD options on there.
It's DVD.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. It comes pretty standard. Yeah, you could play DVDs for the TV. I think everything's going to smart TV at this point, but in case you still have DVDs, I know my grandparents do, and even my mom does, so.
Hey, long live the DVD.
Absolutely. Well, you spend a lot of money on those things. It's kind of hard to let them go.
I know, especially if you have a collection of like 100 or more.
Yeah.
You know?
At 20 bucks a pop, well, I don't think they were that much, but yeah, they get pretty pricey. That's a good sized bathroom too. You got good storage over here. Yeah. For all your towels and things. Oh, that's cool. I like the design of that. That feels more sturdy than the other one.
Mm-hmm. And
Might
it looks
not-
nicer.
Yeah. Might not show dirt and mold as much as the other ones. Those things, would, like, especially in the south, you know, you get that yellow mold on it so quickly within like the first weekend.
Yes.
Yeah.
Which then eventually turns into that black spotty stuff.
Yep. It's just no fun. I like this. I wonder if there's a place to mount the TV here.
Best place would probably be this wall right here. Ooh,
Yeah.
It's pretty solid.
Oh yeah, it is. Over here's your connections for it. So yeah. I bet there's a TV mount there in that wall. Tons of door space. And then this is the access to the washer dryer.
Yep.
I feel like I kind of took over the
Oh, just taking my
video.
job from me.
I am. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I get very excited about the Palominos. I'm sorry.
I see that. Now,
Yeah.
back to this handsome face that's called Carl.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
My apologies.
Shame on you, I'm telling.
Yeah.
So yes, dryer. This is your washer-dryer connection, so you can throw stackables in there because it does have the space for it. And you also do have access to outside
That's pretty cool.
in this same space,
In case you didn't want to use washer dryer.
just in case you didn't want to.
Yeah.
So it does double as storage.
Yeah.
And then also you have, let me see if I remember how I did this because I just did it. There we go. You have this beautiful sliding cabinet for all of your
wow.
clothing.
Yeah, it goes down there too. That's pretty cool. A little cubby hole. I like that. You can put socks and things.
Just everything you need.
Oh, extra storage underneath the king size bed. Look at that.
Boom.
Look at that.
That's
You
a
can
lot
put
of extra
tons of
storage.
bedding in there. Blow up mattresses and stuff for extra guests. Whatever you want. More storage for wife's shoes. You know, wives have a lot of shoes. I know mine does.
You say that, my wife has twice the amount of shoes I do, so.
Well, there you go.
Yeah.
That happens. But yeah, this is a really nice unit. I like this. More accent lighting, I see.
Mm-hmm. And then also AC unit number 1 here.
Okay.
And AC unit number 2 right here.
Very nice. Cool. Well, thanks, Carl. That was informative.
Oh, glad to be of service.
Absolutely. You want to lead us out?
So yeah, this is, I'm Carl. This is Nate with Paradise
Hello.
RV. We are located at 7960 Dorchester Road, Charleston, South Carolina, 29418. If you have questions about the Palomino, give us a call at 843-805-2321. Again, I'm Carl. The cameraman is Nate, and it's been a pleasure to show y'all this beautiful Palomino.
Yep. Oh, and check out all of our inventory at our website at either rvparadise.com, which is our new web address, very simple, or charlestonparadise.com, which we've had for forever. But rvparadise.com will get you there. Thanks, guys.
Sayonara.